Have you ever found yourself waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m.? Do you feel an unexplained presence, a calling, a deep inner stillness that feels different from any other time of day? This is no coincidence. Science and spirituality confirm that these early morning hours are the gateway to the quantum field, the space where infinite intelligence, healing, and transformation reside. During this sacred window, your brain is naturally tuned to the theta and delta frequencies, the very states that mystics, monks, and yogis have accessed for centuries to achieve higher states of consciousness. This is the time when the subconscious mind is most receptive to new programming. If you use this moment wisely, if you pray, visualize, and affirm your future with unwavering belief, you align yourself with limitless possibilities. So if you're awake right now between these powerful hours, take it as a divine sign. You are being called to awaken to your true potential. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself becoming lighter. Feel your body relaxing, sinking deeper into this moment of peace. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale, releasing all tension. One more time. Inhale deeply, and as you hold this breath, feel the energy shifting inside you. As you exhale, imagine releasing all fears, doubts, and negativity. You are now entering a pure, receptive state. Repeat these words, either silently or out loud, and feel the power behind them. Divine intelligence, I open my heart to receive your wisdom. I surrender to the infinite intelligence that guides all things. I am one with the quantum field, limitless in my potential. As I breathe, I feel your presence within me, around me, and through me. I call upon the highest vibration of love and healing. I release all resistance and trust in the unfolding of my highest good. I know that everything I seek is already seeking me. Thank you for the abundance, health, and miracles that are flowing into my life now. I accept them with gratitude and joy, and so it is. Now let's go even deeper. Visualize a golden light surrounding your entire body. This light represents your connection to the quantum field. It pulses with pure energy, infinite wisdom, and divine intelligence. Imagine this golden light expanding from your heart, filling every cell of your being, awakening your true potential. Feel your frequency rising. You are now aligning with your highest self, the version of you that already has everything you desire. See yourself radiating confidence, abundance, and pure joy. Visualize your dreams unfolding effortlessly, your health, your relationships, your financial freedom, your spiritual growth. It is already done. Breathe into this reality. Know it. Feel it. Own it. And as you exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are now operating from a place of certainty, faith, and divine alignment. Let us now go even deeper into surrender. Surrender is not about giving up, it is about trusting in the higher intelligence of the universe. As you sit in stillness, say this to yourself: I release all control and allow divine timing to unfold. I trust that the universe is always working in my favor. I welcome every opportunity, every challenge as a lesson guiding me closer to my highest path. Now breathe into this space of deep surrender. Feel the relief of letting go. There is nothing to fear. There is only trust. There is only divine perfection in all that is unfolding. Now allow yourself to fully absorb these affirmations. Feel them in your heart. Breathe them into your soul. Let them become your reality. Repeat after me. I am limitless. I am powerful. I am abundant. Everything I desire is already mine. My subconscious mind is now programmed for success and prosperity. Every cell in my body is vibrating with divine intelligence. I attract miracles effortlessly. I am worthy of love, happiness, and unlimited abundance. I trust the divine timing of my manifestations. I am connected to the quantum field, and I co-create my reality with ease. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. Every breath I take fills me with divine energy. I am a magnet for miracles. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. My body is healing and regenerating every moment. Love surrounds me and flows from me. I am deeply connected to my higher self. Opportunities appear before me with ease. My mind is calm, focused, and clear. I trust that everything is working in my favor. I am aligned with the infinite abundance of the universe. Every day I wake up filled with gratitude and purpose. I am worthy of receiving all that I desire. My dreams are manifesting right now. I trust the divine timing of my success. I radiate confidence and attract endless opportunities. My subconscious mind is wired for wealth and happiness. I am deeply loved and divinely guided. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. My intuition is strong and I always make the right decisions. I am effortlessly attracting loving and supportive relationships. The universe is opening doors for me in miraculous ways. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. My energy is magnetic, drawing abundance and joy into my life. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, big and small. Prosperity and success flow to me with ease. I am open to receiving divine inspiration and guidance. My thoughts create my reality and I choose positivity. I am a limitless being capable of achieving anything. The universe conspires in my favor at all times. I release all doubts and step into my true power. My heart is open to love, joy, and infinite possibilities. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. I trust myself and my ability to manifest greatness. My dreams are becoming reality faster than I imagined. I am always in the right place at the right time. Wealth and success are my birthright. I am worthy of financial freedom and unlimited abundance. Happiness is my natural state, and I embrace it fully. I am deeply connected to the quantum field of infinite potential. My energy is aligned with love, prosperity, and divine purpose. I welcome new opportunities with an open heart. I am guided by wisdom, clarity, and intuition. Everything I need is already within me. I attract positive experiences into my life daily. I release fear and embrace my divine path. My vibration is high and I am in flow with the universe. I am open to receiving blessings beyond my wildest dreams. I create my reality with intention, love, and gratitude. My future is bright, abundant, and filled with infinite possibilities. Each time you repeat these affirmations, you are rewiring your brain, strengthening new neural pathways that support your highest vision. This is how you transform your reality. As we come to the end of this practice, remember this: what you think, feel, and believe during these sacred early hours shapes your future. This is the time when you have the greatest power to manifest, to heal, to transform. So each time you wake up at this hour, do not waste it scrolling through distractions. Use it to reprogram your mind, to align with the quantum field, to declare your truth. Say this prayer, feel it, embody it. Let it become your reality, and watch as your life shifts in ways you never imagined possible. If you felt a shift during this meditation, trust it. If you feel an energy rising within you, honor it. This is your sign that transformation is already happening. Remember, the universe is always responding to the frequency you emit, so choose to vibrate higher. Choose to believe in your infinite potential. Choose to step into the reality that has always been yours. Thank you for joining me in this sacred practice. Your future is limitless. Now go and claim it.